Hello friends, subscribe my channel. Q-Card describe an equipment that you use at home. You should say how did you get it or who bought it. What do you use it for? How often do you use it? Explain why you think this thing is useful. Let's start. Technology have play a major role in our households which make our work easier and save time. With the help of automatic machine, now I am going to talk about the vacuum cleaner equipment which I use often in my home. Vacuum cleaner are majorly used to remove the dust and dirt from the floors and hardwoods, laminated floors and carpets. Vacuum cleaners are not only used to clean floor and carpets, they also used to clean cars and stairs. Not only in house, vacuum cleaners are used in office, hospitality and industry, many others. My mom was very conscious of the cleanliness of our home. Also, she loved to clean our room. Cleans are very important for home when newborn are in the house, so she uses it often, nearly 3 to 4 times a day. One of my uncle present vacuum to my mom. He is Mr. Ramesh, my mom's second younger brother. My mom always say that he is like a first son to her and he is very close to her heart. He presented on the Mother Day. My mom was so happy with that gift. Not only to my mom, it is also very useful to me whenever I am alone at home. It makes my work easier and it saves me time for cleaning. I used to clean my home using the vacuum when mom was not there at home. Conclusion. My mom was very happy with this gift which was presented by my uncle. It is a very useful thing. It is a not expensive. It is a common equipment that everyone can use at home. Also, it is valuable at affordable price. Thanks for watching my channel.